Okay. Oh. Why's my hand doing that? Oh, my hand with the screen. Oh. Oh, shit. Let's go. Okay, what's your food? We need sausage. Or no. What do you want, sir? Sausage and bread and a sausage. Okay, we can make that. We can do that. Okay. Hot dog. Oh, hot dog. Oh yeah, let's cook the hot dog. Oh, good hot dog. Oh yeah. Cut up the hot dog. Fuck you. No hot dog. No hot dog for you. Okay, I think this is done. Fuck it. Who ordered a oh shit? Who ordered a hot dog? There you go, sir. Fuck. Eat it. Eat the hot dog. It's in your lap. Eat the hot dog. My hot dog. Come back. Alright, eat the hot dog, sir. There you go. Was that good? I know it was, yeah. Oh shit! My hot dog! No! My wiener's on fire! We must save resources. We need it. Oops. Hey, fuckwad. Ah! No! Is it just not making fucking noise when stuff is on fire? Sorry guys, I had to burp. Let's cook some burgers. What's up, man? How's your day been, buddy? Yeah, let's cook some burgers. I'll chop up the cheese, alright? Or what you fine people want today? What you want to order on? Baby, don't worry. What you want? You want some hamburgers? Y'all want some hamburgers? They want hamburgers. Let's make some burgers, people. Put the burger in there. Put the burger in there, too. Burgers kick. Wait. No, this is I don't think that's where you put the burgers. I don't know. Is that bacon? Baconator. We can make baconator. Oh. Shit! Burgers on fire! Stop moving my hands! Black fucking cheeseburger. Yeah, I think it's good. Fucking move! Move! Yeah, you like that? Shut the fuck up. Yeah, it is. Sure. Gonna eat the plate too. Eat the plate. Eat the plate. Eat the plate. Eat the plate too. There's the burgers. Yay. Fellas, we're getting burgers. Almost hit me. Okay, let's get some burger meat. Hungry customers, man. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Fuck, no. Not the burgers. Oh. Oh. Help. 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 What the fuck? He was gonna steal me. No, the burgers. They're fucking floating. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Oh, come on. You know you want to buy it. Oh shit. ate your fucking rat. Man, fuck that, bro. He killed him, bro. He killed him.